Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Today in my kitchen, I'm gonna be making strawberry bread. We got strawberries from Smith Farms and they're fresh, and I wanna make some strawberry bread. This is a wonderful recipe. If you love it, watch the video, jot it down. It came from Kay Swafford, who's one of my dearest people in my life. She made a huge impact in my life. She was my Sunday school teacher. I had her in Bible school. Love her. And this is a great recipe. I'm gonna spray this makes 2 loaves. I'm gonna spray 2 loaf pans with some cooking spray. Set them to the side. Don't want it to stick. I actually love to turn one out and give it as a gift to somebody or put it in my freezer. That's the nice thing about making 2 of them. We're gonna need 3 eggs beaten. So I'm gonna start with the eggs. And basically everything else you just dump in. So 3 eggs. And I'm gonna crack them in here just to make sure I don't have any eggshells in them. There's 2. 3. This is a great recipe too if you want to freeze one, like for later, or you want to make multiples. Just watch your time on your bacon if you make them smaller, like those smaller baby loaves. I've done that before. You just have to watch the baking time and have your fork ready or a toothpick ready to go in the middle of it to make sure it's done. 3 eggs beaten. Okay, I'm gonna add to that the vegetable oil, which is 1 cup of vegetable oil. This is a very moist bread. We love it around here. I'm gonna keep one for the hubs to eat for breakfast and for me to have a piece for breakfast with some coffee. I think that'll be delicious, but you could have this as a dessert because it's sweet. Okay, 1 cup of vegetable oil. To this, I'm gonna add 2 cups of sugar, white granulated sugar, we'll give that a little stir. Now I'm gonna add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, plain all-purpose flour. I got that cooking spray everywhere. Hold on, let me make a spot here and grab a 1 cup measurement. Three cups of all-purpose, plain all-purpose flour. I'm gonna grab a knife. So 3 cups, plain all-purpose flour. There's 1. Let me put that thing back down. Here's 2. This would be good to make in muffin tins too. You just have to watch your baking time. There's 2. There's 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Let me take that out of there. That goes in the dishwasher. Okay. Now, to this, I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. And look, I had to go to the Dollar General after I got my ingredients out because I didn't have any baking soda. The struggle is real. 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. A ½ teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Let's see if I can open this without making a darn mess. There we go. 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna let that mix just a little bit. Now, I have taken 20 ounces or 1 quart of strawberries. And what I did with mine is I put mine in my little bullet thing and pureed some of it, and then I cut some up in there as well. So there would be some chunks of strawberries along with that puree, okay? So I'm gonna put that in. That's 1 quart of strawberries. Cut up or pureed or however you like them. You know, you need to puree them a little bit. But I wanted a few chunks left in there. Okay, that's up. Okay, that's looking good. All right, I'm gonna take this off, make some room without knocking my eggs off the counter. I'm saving that for licking later. 2 loaves. So I'm going to divide this equally amongst these 2. I hope y'all can see that. Let me pull it over here. Get it in the view of the camera. That's better. Just another great recipe to utilize strawberries when they are in season, or even when they're not. You can buy them, but I'm saying in our area right now, they are in season. Strawberry bread. I will post a picture of it at the beginning of the video, and I'll also post pictures on the page of the strawberry bread later. But that, my friends, is how I'm making strawberry bread. And into a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. Give it a try. Strawberry bread. We'll see y'all later. Thanks for tuning in.